Good morning, guys. I'm obviously not here today, so we're not going to have Zoom, but go ahead and make sure that you filled in the Google form for your attendance. Today, your assignment is going to be in your student journal. So when you're on the Google Classroom, you're going to go to classwork. You're going to find your student journal. When you click on your student journal, you're going to go to page 8 of your student journal. So on page 8 of your student journal, and I know I got somebody else's journal in here really quick, but on page 8 of your student journal, you're going to click on that. You should have that update button. Go ahead and update, press update, and you should have a slide that looks similar to this. You're going to click on this link, draw along with the video, and then insert a picture of your work over here. And that's all you got to do for today. Okay, if you forget what the assignment is, you can also find it on your virtual classroom. It does say on the whiteboard, work in your student journal, page 8. All right, you guys have a good weekend. Bye.